Hello friends, hope everybody is doing well. So today I'm going to talk about an IPO which is about to launch very soon. So I just thought like make a short analysis for you to decide in case if you would want to invest or no. So that is Aditya Birla Sun Life. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So today I'll be discussing the SWOT analysis as well as the financial analysis. And coming to the price point, so it's going to be listed somewhere between 695 to 712 rupees, and the gray market premium is at 10%, so close to 70 rupees. That's the gray market premium. So at the end of the video, I'll tell you, I'll give you my suggestion in case if you would want to go ahead investing into the stock. So let's begin here. Coming to the part of the company, so they are this is one of the company which is already existing like more than 20 years in the market, and they are looking at the companies thinking of selling almost around 3 crore 88 lakhs and 80,000 equity shares. So that's the size that they're looking at. So the total IPO size would be around 2,768 crores approximately, and the opening date would be September 29th, which is tomorrow, and the closing date would be October 1st. So the price band I already told you, and as well as the issue size. This is the issue size which I've already told in the first slide, and the face value of the share would be ₹5, and the market lot would be 20 rupees. So this is what exactly they are looking at currently, and that would somewhere come close to approximately somewhere around 14,000 rupees for a single lot. And yes, so coming to the part of the allotment date, it would begin on the October 6th, and the initiation of the refunds for the people who have not been allotted would begin on October 7th. And the demat, you would receive shares in your demat account on October 8th, and the IPO listing date would be October 11th. So they're going to be listed both on NSE and BSE here. So coming to the part like why you should invest in Aditya Birla Sun Life. So is it worth investing into it? Let's go ahead and see. It's one of the well-recognized brand in the market already. So everybody knows about this particular brand. And it also has two experienced promoters who are more than decades into this business. And this company is mainly they also look at like the fund performance, calculative risk management, and also they have a very good experienced team and experienced investment and the management team that is being taken care of. And they have a very good revenue that's been giving out to this company. So let's go ahead and see the financial here. So year on year basis, like from 2018 to 2020, I've just compared these 3 years. So let's go ahead and see profit of taxes. So because that's at the end of the day, because rather than looking at the revenue and the total expense, so let's come to the profit after tax. So this is the net profit that the company is earning. So when we look at 2018, so it was around 3,485 million. In 19 it was 4,400, and in 20 it was 4,900 million. So that's about the financials. And coming to the few noteworthy highlights about the company, like I already told you, it's existing into this business almost about 20 years, and it's a joint venture basically between the Aditya Birla Capital and the Sun Life Financial Incorporate. And also as of 2021, they have a total asset under management of worth rupees 2.75 lakh crore. So that's pretty huge. And they already have company also runs more than 120 investment plans catering to a wide customer base. And it also includes like individual and as well as the institutional investors. As of 2020, They have around 240 national distributors, over 100 banks. So they have pretty decent coverage of the market. And they are also into providing the systematic transition facilities in SIPs, STPs, and SWPs. So I'll cover these things like what are SIPs. I'll into a different video some other time. So how to improve your chances of IPO? Go for minimum bets, not the big applications, and apply with the different application numbers. That would be a better option. Then coming to the third point I've taken here, select the cutoff price. You have a cutoff price mentioned while you're going ahead for the IPO, and always or the higher price band. So it again depends on the brokers that you are trading on. So no last moment subscription, please, because at the end of the day, this is not on any which ways. This is not on first come first serve basis. So, but I would rather suggest like you to fill the IPO application as soon as possible, and please do fill the details properly. So while you're doing that, please take care of that. So coming to the market peers, I just thought of making an analysis how the peers are performing as on 16th August 2021. So four competitors here we have Shriram Asset Management Company Limited, which has a face value of 10, HDFC 5, and UTI Asset Management Company has 10, and Nippon Life has 10. But and also let's see the P ratio of these companies. So it's already beyond the industry average. That's pretty expensive. And let's look at the market cap. When we look at the market cap, so even Aditya Birla stands at a better price, better market cap when compared to these existing firms. And coming to the part of dividend yield, what the three existing firms are already providing. So it's 1.16 by HDFC, UTI is providing 1.65, and Nippon is providing 2.07. So few SWOT analysis, which I had done in my previous video as well. So I thought would be of some help to you guys to make a decision in selecting an IPO. So the strengths are like it has a good reputation. It also has a strong distribution channel, strong investment team who are well qualified and who are well experienced into their management team. And coming to the part of weakness, inconsistent growth in the revenue. So that's what it is been listed, because even looking at the financials when we were looking at behind, so there was not that drastic change in the revenue out there. So coming to the part of they're heavily reliant on their distributors, so which is not advisable. And what are the opportunities? So it's opportunities like low industry penetration, and that's the very good point out here that's been that is for available for Aditya Birla. And threats, they already have a tough competition because already the rivals are listed and they are being traded at a better price. So that's one of the drawback here. So at the end of the day, what I would say is like you can definitely think of the premium because to go ahead with the IPO because they have been, since I told you, they've been listed somewhere around 695 to 712 with a 10% premium. Rather than you can definitely think of a long time. So in case if you're not interested in the long time, you can always take that 10% premium amount that you're getting. Apart from that, even like at least you'll have 4 to 5% of the traded increment that you would definitely see when an IPO is listed. And having said, Aditya Birla already holds a good brand name in the market. It would be definitely looking at the past revenue of the business. So you can definitely go for this IPO and subscribe, and all the best, because IPO is mainly on sometimes it could be on the it's mainly on the system generated, or it's allotment. It's not on like first come first serve basis. So in case if the subscribers are like it's been oversubscribed, so it happens on the lottery based system. So all the best for that, and I hope you guys get this IPO. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and would be happy to see you guys again soon with some other video. Thank you. Have a good day.